In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads GUI's account name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your account is labeled clearly for you and your team. First, a quick note on what this change means. Updating your Google Ads account name only changes the label you see across the interface, in the account picker, and on certain notifications. It does not affect your campaigns, performance data, billing setup, or your customer ID. Think of it as a clearer nickname for your account. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed into the right profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If you use a manager account, select the specific account whose name you want to update so you're editing the correct one. Next, click Admin. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation, and it may appear as an admin gear or a section labeled Admin. If you're used to the older interface, this area replaced what used to be called Tools and Settings, so don't worry if it looks a little different. Inside Admin, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Google Ads GUI's keeps settings related to how your account is identified and how certain features behave. If you don't see it immediately, look for a Setup or Settings section and then select Preferences from there. In Preferences, click Account Name. This opens the editable field where you can change the name. Type the new name you want. Aim for something descriptive and consistent, like your business name plus location, brand, or objective. Clear naming helps when you or teammates switch between multiple accounts, and it reduces errors in reporting or billing references. Once you've entered the new name, click Save. Your change takes effect right away. You may see the new name update in the top header and in the account switcher. If it doesn't appear instantly, refresh your browser and it should display correctly. A couple of quick tips if you run into issues. If the account name field is grayed out or you don't see Save, you may not have the necessary permissions. Ask an admin on the account to make the change. If you're working in a manager account, remember you must open the individual account to rename it. That's it. You opened your Google Ads account, went to Admin, selected Preferences, edited account name, and saved your change. Thanks for watching, and keep your naming clean and consistent to make managing your advertising much easier.